Hi, I know I did the wrong thing today. I went to get the COVID testing because my kids' school required it, and we opted for the saliva test. So we're here at the county. They do it for free. I brought both my children here. Okay, I'll take off the mask. Both my children, this is what they give you, a collection device. Now, I want you to notice something. This little paper popped out. The company doing it is Vault. It's called Vault or something like that, V-A-U-L-T. And they are offering it for free through the county. So anyway, just in case you decide to go get one, don't get a test unless you're forced to do it. They're getting your DNA. Look, Spectrum DNA, innovative DNA collection devices. Do you see that? Innovative DNA collection devices. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it says. They're collecting our DNA. This is some kind of Nazi experiment. They're literally collecting everyone's DNA. For what? Why do they need my DNA to find out if I have a virus? Ask yourself that question.